Friendship, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a new video, a new baking recipe, and this is called red velvet muffin. So if you are the fan of red velvet in Korea, K-pop, and this is the cake of red velvet. So panoorin nyo guys ang aking red velvet muffin. These are the ingredients. This is the warm milk, 135 grams. Then this is lemon juice, 5 grams fresh. This is vanilla and 1 egg. Of course, 80 grams of sugar, salt. Sorry, hindi siya cake powder, kundi cake flour. And also we have food coloring, red food color. So this is the 50 grams of unsalted soft butter. Ngayon guys, ihalo natin ang milk at saka yung 5 grams of lemon juice, at makikita nyo guys na parang lumapot, so parang naging ano siya, parang yogurt style na, kasi dahil nga nagmix yung lemon juice sa milk. So in a bowl, ano natin yung mix together the butter. Then we put sugar. Until we mix together. Then the salt. Then we put the egg. 1 egg. Just stir it guys until it well mixed together. Then the 3 grams of vanilla. Then slowly guys, in the strainer, put the cake flour, and the cocoa powder. Mix together lang. Have to mix together until ayan. Much better kasi guys, no, you have to strain it para pino, at saka yung mga flour na buo-buo maano siya, matanggal. Hindi siya magbubuo sa sa cake. Kasi may tendency siya na magbuo-buo sa cake. So we need the strainer. So set aside na natin. Set aside na natin guys. Then stir it again. para mixed well na sila. To mix it better, then we put the egg mixture into it. Then we put again the 5 grams of lemon juice. Lagyan ulit natin ng lemon juice, and then we put 3 grams of baking soda. Ano yung baking soda? Baking powder. No, not baking soda. It's baking powder. Then, i-ano lang natin together. Then where is it now? Finally, we put the red color, food coloring sa ating mixture. 1 gram of food coloring and the mixture. Ang ganda ng kulay. This is very, very red. Another 1 gram of food coloring, because we want the color becomes more reddish red. You can see, guys, the color is beautiful and it's really, really red. Ang ganda ng kulay. Oh, wow. Ang sarap tignan, guys. Red na red. Ayan. Ang ganda talaga ng kulay, guys. Wow. It's very nice. Now we put the muffin. What do you call this? Muffin paper. Paper tray. Then I will put the red velvet mixture. So I put 3 tablespoons in each. 3 tablespoons, guys. This is very moist. Ano siya? Malambot na red velvet. Ang sarap nito, guys. Promise. Ayan na, guys, hindi ko na ang paglagay ko sa kasi may bisita. Kaya ayan, naluto na siya. Preheat 160 and bake for 20 minutes. Now let's make the topping. So I make 65 grams of unsalted soft butter. sugar powder and cream cheese. Iyan natin ng butter for toppings. Then itong sugar powder. Ilalagay ko guys ang description. Dapat i-mix together guys para mag-melt yung sugar powder. Ngayon ilagay natin ang cream cheese. Ang cream cheese. Ayan. Ayan guys, very creamy na yung mixture natin. Ready na for toppings. Ayan guys, ready na for toppings ang ating gamit natin ang ice cream scoop. Ayan. Ayan. This is it guys. Ang sarap. Ayan. Let's try it. Ang sarap. Very soft siya guys. Hindi gaanong matamis kasi yung cream dry it guys. I guarantee masarap. Love you.